What is your one golden rule for running a successful cleaning business? You know, a
Well,
platform to build on.
I I I would say it has to be this is a people business,
Mm,
and whether it's your customer relations or your employee relations, if you don't get that part right, nothing else matters. And to me, the employee is more important than the customer
yeah.
because without them and without the right attitude in the within the employee and within the organization, if
Mm,
you're not working together as a team, it doesn't matter if you know your numbers and it doesn't matter if you have all the new business you can handle. If you don't have a team to accomplish that and work together in one direction,
yeah.
everybody's on the same page. And that's ideal. That's not always going to happen. So you have to be able to quickly weed out the ones that aren't. We
Mm,
always say hire slow and fire fast
yeah. For
because
sure.
they will bring you down, and there is no point at all in letting that one bad apple in the bushel ruin it for everyone. So they have to go. It's hard for owners to do that, but
It
that's the
is.
reality.
It is difficult, but the sooner you nip it in the bud, the better.